Happy Friday afternoon, my 13.1 and 26.2 fast folks. I wanted to take just a few minutes to describe out this Sunday, July 11th, the workout. All right, we are going to do a negative split. Though there's a lot of pacing strategies that you could use, but let me tell you, the number one, all right, and perhaps the most successful of the racing strategy is a negative split. So we will be talking about this a lot, right, through this season. And honestly, we're kind of even building on this whole kind of negative split concept over the first couple Sundays here and the FAST program. If you guys remember from last week, we did a progressive run where if you looked at your Garmin Connect or Strava or Training Peaks, whatever that you use, each mile, right, for 60 minutes, each mile got a little bit faster, right? So perhaps we started at an 11-minute mile, and we went from a 10:30 to a 10 to a 9:30 to a 9 to an 8:30 to an 8, right? So this very, very gradual, all right, I guess a decrease in pace because you guys were getting faster as you go. Now this week, all right, we're going to put a little oomph behind the first half of the workout, but even more oomph to the second half of the workout. Okay, so I want you guys to look at your table of standard distance kind of to that specific pace that you want to hit on race day. If it's not the one that I assign to you, all right, then look at the pace, right? There's plenty of calculators on the internet, right, that will let you know that a 3:30 marathon is an 8-minute mile. Okay, so looking at your race pace, what I want you to do after a 10-minute warm-up, of course, is I want you guys to run 3 miles at your race pace. And again, this is relative to where if you're doing half marathon or a full marathon. So just check it out. You guys know what you guys are wanting to hit. I'll help you try to find it, all right? But I want you guys to run the first 3 miles at your specific race pace or your goal race pace, okay? Using then the exact same course, we are going to continue. No breaks, no hesitations, no pauses. You guys are going to roll into a second 3-mile loop, all right, at that pace minus about 20 to 30 seconds. So using a 3:30 marathon for an example, 8-minute mile for the first 3 miles, and then running about a 7:30, 7:40, all right, for the next 3 miles, we'll kind of cool down. Now this one, if you guys look at your Garmin Connect, it isn't one of those kind of gradual, all right, speed ups, all right? You guys are going to hit it, right? And then you're going to get faster. So it's 8, 8, 8, 7:30, 7:30, 7:30. You guys are going to get it as close to that. Now, of course, you guys are going to do a 7:58, 7:59, 7:58, all right? And then, of course, a 7:31, 7:32, 7:33, or whatever the case may be, right? But it needs to be a chunk of very similar paces, a chunk of similar paces. There's no fast finish. There's no whatever. These are just kind of these, what I call kind of sandpaper fatigues, all right? Always a 10-minute cool down. I will be there. Haley Delgado will be there. If you have any questions prior to then, respond to this email. If not, we'll see you guys on Sunday morning. All right, crew. Bye-bye.